By 2026, China's air combat strategy has matured into one of the most formidable and advanced in the world, driven by decades of rapid military-industrial development and strategic innovation. As the People's Liberation Army Air Force, PLAF, stands on the cutting edge of aerial warfare, its lineup of fighter jets and precision missile systems is designed not just to defend territorial sovereignty, but to assert dominance across the Asia-Pacific and beyond. China's aviation doctrine now hinges on developing full-spectrum air superiority. Stealth airframes, electronic warfare, hypersonic missiles, drone integration, and artificial intelligence all converge in a synchronized system. With the J-20 Mighty Dragon leading the charge and the Shenyang J-31 Falcon Hawk becoming combat operational alongside stealth-capable unmanned drones like the FH-97A, the future of Chinese air power has arrived. Their missile arsenal is equally lethal, dominated by next-generation PL-15, PL-21, and hypersonic DF-series missiles. China's aerospace complex, led by AVIC, is no longer catching up. It is now setting global benchmarks in certain domains. The physical structure and external characteristics of China's 2026 fighters reveal advanced stealth shaping, aggressive performance design, and aerodynamic superiority. The J-20B, now the backbone of the PLAF's elite squadrons, features sharply angular fuselage lines, canted tail fins, and embedded sensors to reduce radar visibility. Updated intake ducts and reshaped engine nacelles enable higher airflow efficiency while maintaining low infrared signatures. It has a double-engine Delta canard configuration optimized for high speed and low observability. Its fuselage is constructed using radar-absorbent composite materials, with minimal panel gaps and no external weapon pods, all contributing to an ultra-low radar cross-section. The canopy is coated with gold-tinted radar reflective layers, similar to the F-22 Raptor. The aircraft's underbelly houses two internal weapons bays and smaller side bays, allowing a variety of missile types to be carried stealthily. The J-31 Gyrfalcon, meanwhile, now has a redesigned tail, stealthier intakes, and more powerful engines than its prototype versions. It retains twin-engine reliability and is visually similar to the F-35, with refinements in its outer mold line for reduced detectability. Ground-based stealth drones such as the GJ-11 Sharp Sword and air-launched FH-97A complement manned jets with similar blended wing shapes and serrated exhausts. Chinese visual designs no longer mimic others. They are now optimized through supercomputer simulations for multispectral evasion, from radar to infrared and visual signature suppression. Inside these aircraft, China has implemented a comprehensive shift toward cognitive cockpit design. The J-20's pilot environment is nearly fully autonomous in threat detection, targeting, and system management. Pilots interact through a large multifunction